Today we'll discuss about architecture of the AWS. Wait 2 more minutes. Okay. This is architecture flow of the AWS. Suppose every laptop have internal DNS is available. Okay. What is DNS? Domain naming server. Okay, this is the server after in the top of DNS. In the top of DNS, one domain is there, TLD. What is TLD? Top level domain. Suppose I am entering NS lookup for my command prompt. Later, we type in facebook.com. It shows IP address and DNS and LB name. I will show you here. CMD. DNS lookup. I will show you. Don't confusion here. NS lookup. Okay. This is the default server for NS lookup. DNS default to DNS is there, right? This is the default to DNS. Okay. We are typing facebook.com. This is the DNS. The naming is facebook.com. I am entering the IP address now. 163.70.146.35 is the IP address. This is the load balancer. I will enter this in my Google page. It will occur Facebook. Say, oh, oh, sorry, it's not copied. I just copy paste here. So I typed here in this browser. It will switch to Ganesh Facebook.com. This is internal load balancer is there. Okay, this is this is load balancer. We will call. Okay, okay. I will show you. I will show you a diagram of internal architecture. Suppose before that we know some default port numbers. Okay, we have some default port numbers and naming conversions. Naming conversions. Okay, HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. Here, this port number is 80. Default HTTPS is the secure hypertext transfer protocol. Secure 443 is the default secure port number we can consider. Okay, here what is WAF? Web application firewall. It uses to block HTTP request. In this WAF team configured 443. There are some rules are written by the developer or admins. Okay, suppose for example directory structure is equal to slash yellow or Dini. It will show I will show sample in my IHS. See, directory matches or whatever home type directory after directory is home public home yellow override. Okay, post request yellow from all means this after type slash you can use home or you can use star anything yellow inside root naming server. After this yellow limit get comma post request yellow overall yellow comma dini yellow from all means yellow limit close. This is the order dini all dini from all any unauthorized request which deletes like this it will return. Okay, administrator or developers it will return like this. First non-IT guys have some basic knowledge for LV and web HTTP HTTPS and HTTP server comma application server. We need to keep remember this database servers. Okay, I will explain this each and everything and DNS. Okay, I this is the workflow of the AWS architecture. Okay, suppose this is my laptop. I type google.com. It converted IP address to host to IP. I will show you. I will show you where is host file. Internal have DNS. This is system 32. This drivers in this etc. This is the host file for all host name and IP address will configure. This is the local DNS. We will call it about local DNS. You see, this file contains mapping the IP address of the host. Each entity should be line IP should be placed in first column and separated at least maybe inserted from this is the thing. Okay, this is the path. Everybody knows this. Windows in a Linux slash etc host files are available in etc host file is available. Okay, okay. After this, in this, in this host file, assign IP address, IP address and file yard IP address and assign the host name for this IP address. DNS IP will handle local DNS. IP means internet providers. Okay, it will say like this. I will show you a diagram in this. See this. You see in local DNS, it is a host for Windows C drive, Windows folder, System 32 drivers, etc. Host file is available. Suppose I type google.com, it will converted host name or domain name. DNS means naming server. Keep all tracking all host name and IP address. But google.com it converted IP to host and host to IP address. Every member knows this is HTTP means 80, HTTPS means 443, RDP remote desktop port number protocol 3389, SSH double two. I will show you SSH. SSH means putty. This is the default port number. Okay, this is my default port number for okay local DNS. After this is the domain naming and root naming server RNS. It identifies the .com and .org and .in etc. on this top. It will TLD top level domain available. It will trigger domain naming. Okay, .com or .in .org everything it will displays. Naming server means naming server either google.com, Google or Facebook. These are the namings are registered under that server. Okay, I will show you a sample example. Suppose this this is my laptop. Okay, here google.com. Okay, here facebook.com. Here amazon.com and gmail.com. After this, entered in browser gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com. It will goes in the format of packets. It will goes in the format of packets. This is network packets. This is packets. Here, naming server, naming server, accepting the request, HTTPS request. Okay, this is packets. Okay, don't bother about this. I will explain in that format. Okay, there is non-native guys also join with this. This is after this here waiting, waiting the request where we can go. So naming server halls. I am in the Google. I am in the Gmail. Please come to me and access the application. It will tell clearly naming server. Okay, this is the thing happened in the real time scenarios. Okay, this after this data transmitted in the bidirectional format. Okay, this is the assume this is the Google company. We can firewall is there. Here can hit firewall. LODD rules are available in the firewall. HTTP, HTTPS. HTTP is not allowed. HTTPS is secure application, right? In the secure application, there is a certificate is available. See, this is this is the certificate. And this is the certificate. This is the DG provided the certificate. Now February 29 it will expire. After midnight it will be changed the certificate root. This is a configure under our application servers and IHS HTTP servers. This is the another concept. This is root intermediate server certificate is available. Okay, every application have some security certificates. Certificates are provided by the certificate authorities, CA, DGCert, etc. Okay, they provided root intermediate and server certificate. Root server certificate both must and should be match with CSR with CSR. Okay. Client and server side certificate must and should be matched. Otherwise, application won't work. It shows SSL error, SSL handshake error. Okay, you can verify SSL and other things. Intermediate means communication between root and server certificate. This also knows everything. I have three certificates. I will show you. I bought a certificate from DigiCert. This is the root, intermediate, and the server certificates. Click CSCert. This is certificate path. Details security. Until 2021 they issued for me. 2031 it will be expired. Okay, like this. Can you? Okay, this is the certificate. It expired to 2031. Okay, every application have the certificate. Okay, I will show you. Suppose I type google.com. I will show you here what are the certificate. This is the certificate valid. Okay, Okay, this is the certificate. Okay, like this happened in the real time scenarios. Okay, in a load balancer, we configure HTTP. Yes, HTTP is not configured. If you're not accessing the application, it will show some errors, default errors are available. In this, we have some default error codes are available. Client and server side here. Client is our browser. Server is application deployed where that is called it as server. That is called as a server. We have 404 means file renamed or moved temporarily. 403 forbidden or not not given permissions to access the folders. Okay, like this 500 internal server error means that is server down. 503 service unavailable or request not able to reach the server. Verify load balancer team request is reaching valve valve to IHS IHS to application servers. Verify through IP address and port numbers. Okay, I am hitting my IP address is 192.168.1.3.1.2 is my IP address. Assume that 443 is secure. I am hitting this and check LB team. My request is coming or not. Request is coming or not in the form of packets. The form of packets. This is the thing happened in the real time scenarios. I am hitting the browser and transmitted packets and accessing the load balancer. Request is coming or not, we can verify. Request is coming through secure 443 and accessing the web server. Web server displays the static pages. Static pages, okay. Static pages. After this, accessing the application through pipe. One pipe is there. In the pipe consists of plugin safeg.xml. Plugin safeg.xml consists of all port numbers are available. I will show you that also. See, plugins. This is the most important concept in a WebSphere application server. Okay, this is the directory structure. Okay, plugins, and this is the port numbers is registered, and I see 443 is registered. See, default port number 443, and application accessing port number is 9080. Application and IHS port number 8082. By default is 80, but we can change it as 8082. And 9443 is application accessing port number with the secure. I already mentioned in the architecture, say 9443. Here 443 we mentioned. Okay, 443, but we will change it as 8082 and 3243, whatever it is we can change until 65,535 member port numbers. Okay, after this session ID is every user got a session, that is a clone ID and a session ID and a ton and local host and a port number. This is the host name. Where computer is local, right? Local, right? We can install. There is local host and a balance and load balancer request equally distributed by using load balancer weight 2. Okay, these all servers are configured under the plugins. This is the three servers available. Okay, this is the thing happened in the real-time scenarios. Okay, IHS plugins configuration file available. Okay, this is the routing. This is the directory structure for apply plugins. Okay, after generating plugins, this is the application accessing port number. Okay, in this Oracle, we can databases, multiple databases are there. We can Oracle 1521 is the port number, DB2 50,000, MySQL 3306, SQL Server 1433, and Oracle 1521 DB2 50,000. There is database URLs are provided, XA and non-XA. XA means multiple databases connect at the time, single point of time. Non-XA means single database connected at a particular time. Okay. Suppose hello firewall is hello Dini another region request. Okay, I have SQL server is there. I am showing this. I will show you. This is the configuration file for SQL server. I configure 1433 and TCP/IP transmission control protocol enabled, right? I will open this. This is enabled for this. After this, I configure all 1433 and this is the load balancer IP address. Okay, this is the load balancer IP address. See IP address. Okay, I configure all in the same. Okay, IP address 1433. After that, can this is the client protocols enable TCP IP address. Okay, 1433 is configured for my servers, and after this, restart. This is the protocol. Okay, this is the configurations. This is I am stopping and running. This is after a configuration. This is the restart option is there. You can start and stop or a restart option is there. You can use restart. You can restart the services. Okay, you can configure this in my local also configure, and I have Oracle also is there from my local. Two databases is there. I have two databases are there. See, connected databases. This is 1521 is their internal databases. Okay, I will show you how to interact with the databases. This is okay. Select star from employee. Table or view does not exist. Okay. This is thing happened in the real time scenarios. Interact with the database 1521. Like this is the structure in this. Okay. AWS based this master should be knows what is the packet means it will comes under computer networks. There is transmission OSI reference model is there in the layer, network layer, transportation layer, and session layer. Every layer we have default things are available. Okay, I will show you in the computer networks we can use application layer. This is nothing but user interface, application layer, transport layer, session layer, and application transport session layer. Uh, I forgot this. I will show you data link layer, network layer. Okay, transportation physical layer. These are must and should be knows each and every concept knows people knows everything in this and session layer. These are must and should be know all the session layer is there, right? Okay. What layer missed? This is the structure. Okay. This is the structure. Okay. Data application layer transmitted to application layer. Presentation presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, data link layer, session layer. Okay, like this physical layer transmitted data in the form of packets. See, build up package receiver. Okay, like this it will be goes. Okay, this is the structure. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transportation layer is the forgot. Transport layer, presentation layer, data link layer, application layer. Okay, everything presentation layer. Yeah, presentation. Please, this is not order. Please make it order. Okay, like this physical layer and everything form up in the packets. Okay, this is function of the physical layer. Double one double zero form of packets. Okay, okay. I will give this. link to our channel description. Thought, okay. Thank you for watching this. This is the AWS internal architecture and how a application server and IHS is working in the real-time scenarios. This is the computer network subject. We can learn each and everything. We are non-IT guys learn these three concepts and IHS and what is LB level, what is the certificate, why use certificates. They are the applicate. What are the URLs? What is the rewrite URL we can use? These all are configured under our servers. Okay, this is okay. Thank you for watching this. I am closing the session. Okay, okay. I will closing. NS lookup is a mandatory. I will type one more time. Google.com will source Google.com. This is the 142 dot address 250 dot 194 dot. This is IP means internet providers. This is the load balancer. It will not comes. This is the load balancer, but it is secure. Dial, at gmail.com, right? 142 dot 250 dot 194 dot 133. This is load balancer.com, Facebook or Amazon.com. 205 dot 251 dot 242 dot 103. See, this is the Amazon console. Okay, I will accessing this. This is the load balancer. I will accessing the console. It is accessing the console. Okay, too long to respond. Okay, it will accessing console. This is the load balancer. Already we seen right Facebook. See, you can test facebook.com on IP address 163.70.146.35. This is already we tested. See, Facebook is coming, but this also will come. Time to take a response. No issues. Okay. This is the facebook.com. Okay. Can you? I will test gmail.com. It will comes or not. 142 dot 250 dot 194 dot 133. I will test this also. This is the also load balancer. Okay. Some of the applications are accessing, but some of applications. Okay. Okay. This is the reason. Okay. Okay. You can use NS lookup for accessing the IP address and all the things. Non-authenticative answer. Okay. That is the reason. Okay, remaining or non, it will not have Facebook, non facebook.com. Okay, 164. Okay, no issues. These are keep it remember. Okay, thank you for watching this. I will stopping this streaming, and please subscribe the channel. Okay, the YouTube, and share your friends and family members, those who are non-IT and IT guys. Okay, for experienced and real. Okay, non-experienced guys. Okay, bye bye. Tata.